And now it's time for the tutorial on how to do the worm. And from your point of view, it will look like this. So first you get into the box, you add the 5th card, and then you do the worm. So then there's a couple of different ways that you can of course close this up, the most traditional way or that, and there's a lot of other variations which I will show you how to do. So first what you're going to need is a deck of cards. Take the deck and put it in your non-dominant hand. I'm a righty, so it'll go in my left hand, and my left thumb is going to go along the left long edge. My pointer finger is going to go against the top short edge, pinky bottom short edge, and then my middle finger and my ring finger will be on the right long edge. My right hand is going to come over the top. My right thumb is going to hit this bottom short edge right next to my pinky on the left. My pointer finger in my right hand will go on the back design, and then my right middle and ring will be to the right of my left index finger. So to start, you'll look like this, and your pinky is doing nothing. So first you're going to use your right thumb and you're going to pick up 2/3 of the deck. Now notice that the front portion is still connected. So if I wanted to, I could take off all these other fingers and rotate it on my pointer finger. Now we're going to split the top packet in two with my middle and ring finger of my right hand, and we're going to split it just like that, and that'll be pivoting on my right thumb, so it can move like this now. Now the next spot that you need to get it to is here, but you're going to do it with a 4th card as well. So you're going to use your pointer finger, release a little bit of pressure with your right thumb, and you're going to push it forward, pivoting it around your right middle finger. That should then look like this. Make sure that you're putting pressure down with your pointer finger, and that way it doesn't just fall off the side, because it's going to be pushing against the back of this packet. Next, you're going to take your left hand pinky and move it away from you, which will then do this. And the card that you just moved away with your pointer finger, this edge right here on the left side, you're going to connect this edge to your left hand pinky underneath at the bottom, just like this. So now you have this box shape, and just by raising and lowering your left and right hand, you can make it move. This is going to become very important in a second, because you'll notice that when my left hand goes up and my right hand goes down, my left pinky and right thumb become very close. And if my right hand goes up and left hand goes down, my right thumb and left pinky get very far away. Now is the point where we add the last card. We're going to take this 4 of hearts right here with my left thumb. First, we're going to go up with it. So notice my right thumb is up, my left pinky is down, and they're very far away from each other. And I'm going to take it here and peel it off to the left, pivoting it on my right thumb. And now I'm going to raise my left hand and lower my right hand. That way my left pinky and right thumb become close enough together. That way that 4 of hearts is now pinned in between my right thumb and my left pinky. At this point, my left thumb is free, and I can grab this top left packet right here. This one where the 3 of diamonds is, right above my right thumb with my left thumb, and pull it away. Then the one that your pointer finger of your right hand is pushing against, you can remove from your left pinky. And if you turn that around, you'll notice that you are doing the worm. Once again, starting in straddle grip, your right thumb is going to be in the back, pointer on top, middle and ring in the front. You'll pick up 2/3 with your right thumb and split the top packet into half. This is called Z grip. You're then going to take the top card and pivot it around your middle finger, and my left pinky is going to move away from me and then connect at the bottom. Now that I'm here, I'm going to raise my right thumb, and my left thumb is going to grab this card in the back, and it's going to move it to the left. But currently I can't reach my left pinky, so I have to raise my left hand until they connect, and now my left thumb is free again. My left thumb is then going to grab this packet right here, grab it on the corner, and break it off. And then this card right here that your pointer finger originally pushed off, you can then disconnect from that pinky, which means you now have the full worm. At this point, you need to find a way to close it though. There's a few different ways you can do it. The most basic way is take this top packet here that I'm holding between my left thumb and left pointer finger and just close it down. Take this packet that was in the middle, the single card, rotate it up. Now that you have this, you can just close this down by dropping that one card on top, dropping the last packet. And in full speed, that would look like this. Your next option is to take this left hand and do a scissor cut. That's when this top packet is going to go all the way over the top of it and close it up there. You can then still finish with that one card drop. And now instead of just dropping this last packet on top, what I do is you can rotate your hand over and then just close it like a book. So all I'm doing with that one is I'm just taking my thumb, rotating it over the top of my hand, and then closing it up. So in full speed, that looks like this. Another thing you can do is as you're doing this move here, you can do a Charlier cut, which drops it in the middle instead. And in real time, that would look like this. And of course, there's many other ways to close the worm, but those are just a few different ways from basic to about intermediate. But personally, my favorite way to close the worm has nothing to do with the ways that I just showed you. It's actually a combo move that once I've dropped this last one off, I'll take this right hand, convert the grip slightly, and then I can go into a move right here called ATM, which is a really fun move where you can shoot cards off one at a time like this, Then if you want to, when you get down to these last couple of cards, you can do Legolas, which looks like that. So super fun moves. The last one I always do with it whenever I've got one card left is Backdrop, which looks like that. And if you want to learn any of those three, ATM, Legolas, or Backdrop, I'll link tutorials to all three in the description below. But personally, my favorite is the first one that comes out of it, which is ATM, and you can learn it right here. Personally, I think these cards look fantastic for the move, and you can check them out right here. Make sure to subscribe for more cardistry tutorials just like this. I'll catch you guys in the next video. This is CPM, signing off.